Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build. This will be 2.5 lakh PC build which includes a 2K monitor which is at 165Hz, all the peripherals, headphone, keyboard, mouse. So everything is there in this 2.5 lakh build. So let's begin with the PC parts before we go ahead and start the build. For the processor we have got Ryzen 9 5900X, a wonderful processor. For the motherboard we have got Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. Instead of going for a cheap X570 motherboard, I would recommend you to go a nice decent B550 motherboard that would be suitable for the build. For the RAM we are going with Trident Z Neo. This is 3600 MHz 8x2. We will be doing future upgrades, more 8x2 in future, so for now 16GB RAM. For the SSD we have got XPG S40G. This is 512GB SSD with a decent read speed of 3500 and a write speed of 3000. This is similar to S11 Pro, but this is RGB and the price is same as S11 Pro. For more storage we are going with Seagate 2TB hard drive. For the cooler we are going with L240 ARGB. This is around 6000 rupees and it's a decent liquid cooler. For the power supply we are going with Deepcool DQ750M. This is a 10-year warranty power supply, also modular and comes with flat cable. This is around 7000 rupees and it is a very decent deal, I would say. For the graphic card we have got ichill X4. This is 4-fan 3070 Ti. It also supports RGB. For the case I have got Lianli 215. This is black color and I have recently made a video for this cabinet, both black and white color. I'll share the video link in the description, so if you wish to check a detailed video, this is a decent cabinet, you can watch that video. And for the monitor we have got FI27Q monitor. This is a 2K monitor with 165Hz. I am using it from past 1.5 months, I would say 1 month personally. Yeah, the entire 8 hour, whatever mail site type, whatever games I play in my office. So personally I'm using one of them and I'm really liking this monitor. So if in case you wish to consider a 2K monitor around 30,000 rupees, this is a great deal, I would say. The colors, the gameplay and everything is very nice. Also it is RGB. For the choice of keyboard and mouse we have selected Razer's Power Up bundle. This comes with headphone, a keyboard and a mouse. This is the complete bundle, cost around 9,000 rupees and this is what we're gonna use in this complete build. We have the Anti-Sports MP300 mousepad. This is a large size. Both keyboard and mouse can be kept in the single mousepad and this is around 600 rupees. So that's the components we are using for today's build. So the power bundle and the mousepad has already been shipped to the customer from the warehouse itself. We will be building the PC for Ayush. Ayush, congratulations for your new PC. So the PC is gonna arrive at your location Odisha very soon. So let's begin with the PC build now. Alright, we're done with the PC build. This is working absolutely fine and this will be tested for few more hours and then it will be shipped to Odisha. So all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Both Amazon and our website are there. Do follow them to check the latest prices. If you have any questions related to this build or any other build, please comment down below. I would love to answer them. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.